Hey, you guys, watch this trailer disconnect out in front of us. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, look up there. You guys look up there to the right. See that fifth wheel? Now watch the ATV trailer disconnect. Goes right in front of that little red van. Gonna slow down here. Then this car is going to go. And the trailer's going to start inching back across here. The little red van's freaked out, I think. They want it to completely just go away from them. But basically going to park here. But anyway, we ran our errand downtown. I think we went to the post office. But when we came back, the fifth wheel had gone around the block and was parked down the block. The trailer was in that parking lot there to the left. There was a cop there, so somebody must have pushed it into the parking lot. So anyway, no damage, nobody was hurt. Just kind of some of the stuff we see on the road. See you guys soon.